Alrighty, it is the day before the Two Rooks Cola Winter Matsuri. Pretty nervous, but pretty excited at the same time. Skyline is all ready, everything is good to go. Wheels and tyres are mounted, everything's good. So yeah, at the moment just heading over to work now. It's where the car is. Gonna chuck the car in the back of Charlie's ute and start making our way down to Taupo. So yeah, should be good. Alrighty, so the Skyline is all locked and loaded and we are making our way down to Taupo. This is Bentley. Bentley, say hi. Hello. Yeah. That is Charlie and Melissa's dog, but yeah, Skyline's loaded up. Everything is in the car, in the back of the tray. Yeah, pretty much sorted. Make our way down to Autobahn or Bombay's. Have to grab a token feed at Macca's on the way down, get some gas, make our way. So the accommodation that we got was just through Airbnb. Super easy to deal with. It was absolutely rad. So we'll be staying down there for the weekends, but yeah, haven't been able to film much lately. Basically been getting the car ready during and just after work hours as well, so it's been pretty hard to film, but the car's all sorted, suspension styled, height styled, the alignment's all dialed as well. Got the extended LCAs in as well thanks to Outlaw Garage. Those are all installed. I'm trying to think what else. I mean, it's been a long morning already, so I'm a little bit tired. But yeah, we'll update you guys further down the track. Peace. A few floaties. Alright, made it. Oh, so, I think it was about 4 hours to get down here. A little bit of traffic, did a couple stops on the way, nothing too major. But yeah, everything is all good. Just waiting for Amir and my partner from Nothing Fancy, Taylor. They should be here probably in the next 3 hours or so. They did leave a little bit late, they had work. But we're here. And this is the little house that we got, so yeah, I'm naked, but yeah, we'll get onto it tomorrow. Damn cold start here in Taupo. It's probably about 4 or 5 degrees. Quick stop at the bakery, grab some breakfast, and then we're gonna head to the track, get the car scrutineered. Briefing is at 9 and hopefully on the track by 9:45, so.
But first we get pies.
Yes, we need pies because we are hungry and we are cold. We need to warm up. Everything's damn fresh here.
Hold this hot.
Hey, bud. Oh, my car's not that loud. Made it, we've unloaded, so now we are going through scrutineering. Hopefully everything's all good, but we're soon about to find out. Yeah, should be fun. I'm really excited. So we are just going to be down on track 3 today. We're in the beginners group, just since we haven't actually been to a Matsuri event before. I also haven't actually driven on the track properly before, apart from literally only the wet pad and a little bit of Miri Miri. But yeah, this would be a pretty big learning curve, so hopefully, fingers crossed, all goes well. But yeah, stick around and yeah, it should be fun.
Piece of shit fast.
No. Oh, fuck off. So we car past with flying colours, so have our little green dot thingy on the window. Means we are good to go. So hopefully when the track opens up, well soon-ish, we should be able to take the cars and the utes around, take our cars, take all of our tyres, and set up down by track 3. Should be pretty rad, but yeah, we're absolutely stoked to be here. We wanted to come to Matsuri for a while, not because of like all the hype and everything, basically just because we wanted to try out Taupo, and also it's going to be a pretty rad weekend, so stay tuned. Man, I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous at the same time. A little bit shaky, but should be alright. So a bit of a malfunction with the memory card. Forgot to format it and delete all my other stuff from a few months ago, so that was a bit of a pain. But anyway, had the first run, and man, I got to say I was pretty damn nervous. But in saying that though, it is good. My nerves aren't as bad now. Just got to try and get the hang of it. It is very different though. I'm not used to hitting third, so normally it's just I'm used to second gear all the time, but this is going second into third. But yeah, we'll just see how we go. Hopefully by end of today I can at least link 2 corners properly, but yeah, we'll just see how we go. But yeah, try to stick around. Looks like my battery is pretty darn low, but hopefully tomorrow I have this all charged up, so we should get a lot more footage tomorrow, but I'll try and make the most of it today. Man. Charlie? Yeah, you good?
Hey?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, mate.
Oh, it is. Fuck, it's epic out here today. Everything's been going good so far. Skyline's good, Zed's good. Zed's good. Tire situation is still good so far as well. I couldn't record the last session, which was so far the best. Had to recharge the GoPro, but it's alright though. If it dies again, it'll be fully charged for tomorrow again, and I'll charge my power bank and everything too. But at the moment, it's gonna have a bit of a break. I'm a bit knackered, a bit hot, even though it's cold. Probably get a feed, get a drink or something. Then we get back into it. But while we're here, may as well check out the boys down at track 2. But just stick around and yeah, it should be good. Might want to move.
You weren't kidding about the responsive steering.
Man, it is crazy. That's pretty sick out here. I reckon while we're here we should go up top. Yeah, but while we're here we should go up top and have a look. Yeah. Should be good. This is how you fit 5 people in a set.